Hi, my name's Madison Simpson. I am an elementary education major here at EKU. I'm a senior this year, so I'm so excited about that. Um, the two questions that really stood out to me from this survey was number 5, where it said, should grammar be taught in school? Why or why not? Absolutely, I think that grammar should be taught in school. It's important for students to learn the standardized English skills and how that can help them be successful down the road. And I mean, their students are going to need to know, correct punctuation, the right word choice, the difference between words such as there, and the differences in those meanings. And it's important that they are taught that as a young age because it's harder to learn something when you're older, I believe. So once you're taught something from a young age, you can build on that as you go. And that makes it a little easier to learn, in my opinion. The second question that really stood out to me was number 7 on the agrees or disagrees. So it says, teachers should correct students who learn bad grammar at home. I was neutral on this. I wasn't really for certain which way I leaned because I'm kind of hazy on the line of you don't really want to cross over that line and make the students feel like their parents aren't knowledgeable. Because just because your family might talk this way doesn't mean that they're not smart. My family, we say y'all more than we say you, and that's just how it has always been. I've been taught better, but that's just how it's always been for us. So I think that it's important for them to know, what standardized English is and what proper grammar is, and that there is a time and place that should be used. When you're writing a paper for your class or if you're doing a presentation, you want to make sure that you're using your proper grammar. So I think teachers should probably redirect them. I don't think that the word correct and about bad grammar, I struggled with that wording. But I think that if teachers kind of redirect away from the jargon and the slang and not let the students know that they're not necessarily wrong and it's not quote unquote bad grammar. There's just a proper grammar for standardized English that should be used at a certain place and time. That's just how I viewed those questions. I'm so excited for this semester and I cannot wait to work with each of you. Have a good night.